Yo, what's happening everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim, back again with another great, amazing customization video. This video today, it's all about customization. You know how much I love customization. You can check out my table. It's all about carbon fiber and other kind of stuff. This video of today, advertiser friendly. This video of today is sponsored by Brandful Media. Now, if you want to check them out, these guys, they print quality content. Now, I mean quality content, I mean quality printing. Like, check this out. All my branding at my house, these guys did it. All the stickers, everything, these guys did it. You asked me about the bigger board, which I have it on my studio here. These guys did it. You asked me about any type of printing stuff like a business card. These guys, they transform everything into upcoming things. So I give it very great to Brandful Media, and I hope some of you guys gonna check them out. So for further info, let's just dig in on this video of today and crash it like whoa, since I got something which is so interesting. It's called customization. So you have seen me doing some customization on my last video, and I'm trying my best to keep up with that playlist, since you know sometimes it's a little bit rough time and sometimes it's a little bit kind of great, since some of you guys, you really want that vlog, and some of you guys really want that techie, and some of you guys really like customization. Now, this is what I was talking about. These are carbon fiber, and I ordered them on AliExpress, and definitely they took a little bit while to come here to my country, but thank goodness that they just here arrived. So this is what we're going to transform on my laptop, since I was thinking about transforming it on the PC here, but something which it didn't capture me in a different kind of aspect. It's just that we have this carbon fiber here, and you can ask me how long does it stay on your machine, on your table, anywhere you just have to put it. It stays freaking long. Like, it stays for 5 to 6 years. It depends on how you keep it with it, but 5 to 6 years. Since I installed this, is almost 3 years now you can see. And I remember I installed for some few people on the machines back in the days when I was at college. I tried to make that kind of moolah using the carbon fiber, and up to today they have that kind of carbon fiber. It's almost like even 7 years since I installed on the machines. So it's really legitimate, and I give it a go. And why not we wrap our PC, because I got a bunch of ideas on wrapping it. And yeah, so I think it's gonna be So we're done skinning our machine. As you can see how our baby looks like right now, looking so great. And I did even inside, which is something which is so great. As you can see, that kind of combo there, looking amazing. It's just that I got this kind of an idea, and I thought that why should I not break it down? And I hope some of you guys got that kind of clue and got that kind of understanding. As you can see, you can even just check it out, upside down, the color range. It looks like this one matches with this one, even like reverse and stuff like that, which is something which is so incredible. So I hope some of you guys, you can play around with the skin and these skin packs of, this skin. They are very kind of cheaper. They're not that much expensive. So instead of you wasting a lot of money on other kind of companies which they can do it for you, you can just do it on your own and get that kind of experience. So thank you guys for watching. We love this video today. As always, you know what to do. You hit the thumbs up and another kind of stuff. If you're new here, my name is Abdulrahim112, and I'm going to catch you guys on the next one. As always, stay sharp and creative, and don't hesitate to customize your machine. It looks so stunning, amazing. I kind of like this. I'm falling in love with my PC each single day. Peace.